humanity has declared war on nature, and nature is striking back. But nature is blind. It is not striking back on those that have more contributed to the war on nature. Pakistan has given little contribution to climate change, but Pakistan is one of the most dramatically impacted hotspots by the consequences of climate change. So it's like nature has attacked the wrong target. It should be those that are more responsible for climate change that should have to face this kind of challenge, and if that would be the case, probably we would not have the present situation in climate change. So there is an obligation of the international community to massively support Pakistan in these circumstances, and there is an obligation of the international community to take seriously the need to drastically reduce emissions, and at the same time to support the countries that need to invest in adaptation, in resilience and recovery, as it is the case of Pakistan. And my voice is entirely at the service of the Pakistani government and the Pakistani people, and the whole UN system is entirely at the service of Pakistan. We know that our contribution is limited. We know that what we do is a drop in the ocean of the needs, but we are totally committed, and Pakistan is a country that I have in my heart.